Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can change the profile name of your Facebook account. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So first of all, go to your Facebook app, then click the straight three line on top of your screen. Now scroll down, you can see settings and privacy here, and click onto that. Now click on settings here. On top of your screen you can see personal and account information. Click on that. Now click on name. Here you can see your previous Facebook profile name. Now you can change it to any other name you like. Just to remind you that if you change your name, you cannot change again for 60 days. So now click review change here, and you have to give the password and select save changes. Now as you can see, my Facebook profile name is changed.